Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Chromebook supports channel switching and that you are the device owner. Once done, back up any local files to Google Drive or an external disk. Beta can trigger resets. Next, open Settings and locate About Chrome OS, click Detailed Build Information and select Change Channel. Choose Beta. This step initiates a download. It prepares your device for newer features while keeping reasonable stability compared to dev. Make sure to stay plugged in during the update. You'll see the beta build download automatically after selecting the channel. Be patient, larger updates can take 10-30 minutes depending on bandwidth. Once the download completes, click Restart to apply the update. This is necessary for the new channel to take effect. After reboot, sign in and return to About Chrome OS to confirm the build number reflects beta. This confirms the installation succeeded and unlocks features being tested. You can now evaluate changes without the instability of dev. You should now test core workflows, web apps, Android apps, peripherals, and networking. If a critical regression appears, you can revert to stable via change channel, but know that switching channels often performs a power wash that wipes local data, so restore from backup afterward. If things run well, continue using beta and file issues through Help Report an issue to help engineers. One troubleshooting tip: if the update hangs, reboot, ensure a wired network, and retry the channel switch. Network interruptions are the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.